The long-awaited Ghana International Airlines, promised for a while now, is now unfolding. Ghana is poised to reclaim its wing as President John Dramani Mahama unveiled the latest visionary plan to resurrect the nation's long-dominant airline. During a credential ceremony in Accra, he dropped the tantalizing information about partnering with the United Arab Emirates to establish the Ghana Airlines, signaling a bold step towards restoring the country's aviation legacy. This isn't just about flights, it's about soaring ambitions, economic revival, and a renewed global presence. From trade to counter-terrorism, Mahama's discussions with the UAE ambassador, Dr. Abdullah Murid Suleiman Mohammed Al-Mondous, reveal a multifaceted alliance in the making. Now let's dive into the exciting chapter and see how Ghana is gearing up to take flight once more. But before we delve deeper, please like this video to show your support and also subscribe to this channel for more riveting content. President John Dramani Mahama has set the stage for a triumphant return of Ghana's national airline, a dream dormant since Ghana Airways collapsed in 2004. Speaking at the presidency in Accra, he disclosed ongoing efforts to establish Ghana Airlines, with the United Arab Emirates emerging as a potential partner. He noted that apart from Emirates like Dubai and several other companies, if they are interested in partnering with Ghana to take advantage of Ghana as an aviation hub, will be willing to work with the United Arab Emirates. This partnership leverages the UAE's aviation's prowess, home to giants like Emirates, while positioning Ghana as a regional hub. It's a nod to the storied past, when Ghana Airways once connected Africa to Dubai, a route Mahama recalled fondly, saying that today we have daily flights with Emirates between Accra and Dubai, and we appreciate that very much. The United Arab Emirates involvement isn't a spur-of-the-moment choice, it built on decades of collaboration. Mahama highlighted existing ties, such as the Abu Dhabi Volta River Authority partnership that gave birth to the Takoradi Thermal Power Plant, a key electricity provider. Now, as of March 17, 2025, he is eyeing the United Arab Emirates' technical expertise to launch the Ghana Airways. He encouraged Gulf investments, stating that when friendly countries like the UAE come around to help us with our petition, it is something that we must appreciate. This alliance could see UAE firms co-owning or managing the airline, tapping into Ghana's strategic location. The Kotoka International Airport is just 6 hours from Europe and a gateway to West Africa. It's a calculated move to blend UAE's know-how with Ghana's ambitions. Restoring Ghana Airlines promises more than just nostalgia. It's an economic catalyst. Mahama envisions it boosting trade, tourism, and jobs. Gold, a major export to the UAE, is a focal point, with him announcing that Ghana was in the progress of establishing a gold board to oversee the formal export of gold to friendly countries interested in purchasing the commodity. This could streamline the 1.7 billion gold trade with the UAE, while the airline facilitates faster business travel. Daily Emirates flights already carry hundreds. Imagine a Ghanaian carrier adding the capacity, linking Accra to Dubai, London, or New York. It's a chance to reclaim Ghana's aviation market, lost to foreign carriers since Ghana Airways' demise. Mahama's vision extends beyond planes to people. He addressed the thousands of Ghanaians working in the UAE, often informally, by unveiling the Ghana Labour Export Program. He explained that sometimes they run into trouble when they go to UAE, so the country wants to see how they can formalize the agreement so that when they go legally and have all the protection they need from the UAE government. This initiative also will train young professionals, electricians, welders, masons to international standards, ensuring structured migration. Coupled with the gold board, it strengthens the Ghana-UAE ties, turning informal flows into regulated, mutually beneficial exchange. The UAE partnership rests on a solid diplomatic bedrock. Mahama traced this back to a consulate in 2011 and an embassy in Abu Dhabi by 2017, saying that Ghana and UAE relations had been fruitful. And on March 17, 2025, this history underpins his airline ambitions. The UAE ambassador, Dr. Abdullah Murad, echoed this sentiment, calling for deeper bilateral ties. Past successes like a $30 million climate change facility from the UAE in September 2024 bolster Mahama's confidence that, indeed, the UAE will help in reviving Ghana's airline. He expressed gratitude, noting that, "We know that Africa has contributed the least to climate change, but is suffering the most from its effects," framing the UAE as a reliable ally in Ghana's challenges. Mahama didn't shy away from security, a pressing concern for West Africa. He linked the airline's revival to broader cooperation, particularly against terrorism. He warned that these groups are currently involved in different attacks in Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger, tracing the Sahel's instability to Gaddafi's fall and ISIS's retreat. A robust Ghanaian airline could support regional logistics, moving personnel or aid, while UAE expertise aids counter-terrorism efforts. His call for collaboration reflects a holistic vision, an airline that's not just a business, but a strategic asset in a volatile region. Reviving Ghana's airline, however, isn't without hurdles. Past attempts faltered due to mismanagement and debt. The Ghana Airways owed $160 million when it folded. Mahama must secure funding, ensure profitability, and compete with the giants like Emirate itself. Yet he remains undeterred, leveraging UAE's proven aviation model. He muses that when we get to that stage, we'll be willing to work with the UAE, signaling a phased approach, expressions of interest first, then firm deals. If successful, this could expand beyond Dubai to routes like Accra-Johannesburg or Accra-Washington, restoring Ghana's global reach. But if we get there, we'll report on it. This isn't just a government project, it's a national revival. Most Ghanaians recall Ghana Airways' glory days with pride, and Mahama's plan rekindles that spirit. The partnership could employ pilots, engineers, and crew while boosting tourism. Think UAE visitors exploring Cape Coast or Kumasi. Mahama nods to Emirates' success. Today, we have the daily flights from Emirates to Accra and Dubai. Hints at a model, a lean, efficient carrier that serves Ghana first. It's a chance to fly the Black Star flag high, both literally and figuratively. Ghana is poised to reclaim its wing. Mahama envisions its boosting trade, tourism, and jobs. This isn't just about flights, it's about soaring ambitions, economic revival, and a renewed global presence. From trade to counter-terrorism, indeed, the UAE will help in reviving Ghana's airline. As of March 17, 2025, President John Dramani Mahama's push to restore Ghana Airlines with UAE support marks a turning point. It's a fusion of legacy and innovation. Plans to lift Ghana's economy, security, and pride. He affirmed that if they are interested in partnering with Ghana to take advantage of Ghana as an aviation hub, we'll be willing to work with UAE. From gold to labor, climate to counter-terrorism, this partnership could redefine Ghana's future. What do you think of this bold takeoff? Share your thoughts below and stay tuned for more of Ghana's ascent. Check out this next video on impressive projects happening right here in the African continent. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.